Hello! Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening. I just can't. it's been a few minutes. I've been sitting here prepping to talk to you guys. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to the TheSindhiGirl YouTube channel. I cannot thank you enough. I'll tell you why. It's been 3 years since I last posted my video here. We were in the middle of COVID. We had no idea when the pandemic would end, and I clearly remember how my father particularly was so panicky. My brother and I were trying to take care of our parents and the house and just, trying to keep our sanity on from here. It's been a long time. It's been a really long time since I have said hi and since I've uploaded a video here. It's been 3 years. So where have I been? I feel like I owe you an explanation and an apology. Most sincere apologies for disappearing without informing, and the explanation. Let the explanation begin. So if you guys have been following my other YouTube channel, Sindhi Film Festival, I was very active there up until last year. Okay, me and my team member Roshni, we produced over 200 videos. Every year we used to do partition special series. Like, I gave that channel and producing content for that channel all my heart. I gave it my all. Okay, and I was also in the middle of a PhD. That PhD took a really long time to complete. The PhD is now complete. So now you're talking to Dr. Bhavna Rajpal. All right, my PhD and the details of everything we will keep for another video because we've just started. So to give you a very, very brief background about where I was very active on Sindhi Film Festival channel, YouTube channel, Instagram. Novotel Hotel in Ahmedabad invited me. I have been doing a lot for the Sindhi language and the culture. Okay. And I was also trying very hard to finish my PhD and not to forget other personal family problems that keep coming in everybody's life, I'm sure. At least thinking that will make me feel better. So I've not been alone, I'm hoping. But I am back, and I have given a lot of thought to why I want to be back. I want to be back as a renewed version of Bhavna Rajpal. A few years ago, when I had started this channel, I had put out a video about why I want to start this channel. Let's just say that this is version 2.0 of the same video. I am no longer the same Bhavna that I used to be. In person, we all keep growing, right? Mentally, emotionally, physically. This is who I am. I like being funny and I like cracking jokes, and I, laugh with myself when I'm on my own. Anyway, so coming back to the point, I like enjoying the moment and laughing. So of course I've grown a lot, and over the years I've also realized that I did not want to be in the academic world. So I have finally chosen the career of skincare. I know that's one of my biggest passions. I also have others. I'll talk to you about those later. But it's been 6 months now since I have started what I have been doing, which is skin consultations and skin glow facials. And I have been very active on Instagram. So if you have been following me there, you already know this. But if you have not, hey, now I'm a skin specialist. And I've never been happier. Honest to God, I have never been happier. Of course, it's been tough. I haven't had any help at all professionally since I've started this. After I came back from Paris after finishing my PhD, Dr. Bhavna has been alone. Her editor has fallen sick. So we're trying. We have the entire divine universe and the blessings of all the lords and my masters with me. So with those blessings, here I am in front of you, braving through it all happily. So yeah, I want to tell you why I've decided to come back and what can you expect on this channel. I have come back here because I've realized I genuinely enjoy talking to you guys. And when I say you guys, I mean to each and every single person who watches my video, no matter where you are in the world. practically it's impossible for me to keep calling everybody, keep meeting everybody in real life, right? I have always been in awe of digital media, and thanks to digital media, I can pursue my dream of being a YouTuber who has a voice, not just audio voice, but who says something, who has certain principles, and who wants to make sure that her voice is heard. Digital media is going to help me for it, right? So I'm going to use this medium to give my dreams a second chance. In my previous videos, I had uploaded about 50 videos on this channel. So when I say I have grown in terms of not just the technology, but also how I want to look, in terms of who I am as a person. What do I stand for? What are my ethics? What are my principles? Earlier, I had very little knowledge of lighting, of audio, of camera, but things have grown eventually. Now I'm sitting in front of a ring light. I have a beautiful Canon camera. I'm not boasting, I'm just telling you how far I've come along. And also as a person, I have realized I want to be a skin expert who helps people with their skin. Why skincare is another video that's coming after this one. But in my previous videos, in some of them I used to have a lot of skincare on, a lot of sunscreen on, and in some I used to have some makeup on. In today's video, I'm happy to report I have no base makeup on. I just have kajal and I have some lip liner and lipstick. That's all. I have done my skincare routine, which is really strong, and I have come a long way in my skincare journey. That's why I chose to dedicate my life not to academia but to skin. I really wanted to help people, and in the past 6 months that I have been with all my clients who've been getting my luxury glow facials and my consultations, I can't tell you just how grateful I feel. Like, I feel the most happy. I haven't been this happiest, and I just wanted to share what I'm doing, why I'm doing, my clients, their stories, and just so much more with you guys. That's why I chose to be back. That's why I have chosen to be back. Grammar. So let me reintroduce myself. Hi, I'm Dr. Bhavna Rajpal, also the Sindhi girl, who is a luxury skin expert and so much more. On this channel, you'll find all things skincare and more. You'll hear my client testimonials. On this channel, you'll get to know all things skin in Sindhi and in English both. Yes, I've decided to continue with both the languages. I know, double the trouble, right? But it's okay. I want to do what my heart tells me to do. Sindhi is a very important part of my life. It's my mother tongue. And English is the language I've grown up studying, getting educated in. It's like I had said in my previous video, it's the language I think in, right? So both the languages are my mother tongues. Honestly, that's how I feel. So I'll do the videos in both the languages for people who understand either of those. You'll also see shopping hauls. You all know I love shopping, but when I say I have grown as a person, oh my God, like, it's a whole video. My relationship with clothes and shopping. I swear to God, it's a whole video, okay? My practices of shopping have changed, what I think about those, what is ethical, what is sustainable, and my decisions, including the one that I'm wearing now, the t-shirt. I will talk about those in a different video, but there will be shopping hauls, so stay tuned for that. There will also be a lot of skin glow foods. If you all have been following me here on YouTube or on Instagram, Sindhi Film Festival channel is full of food. Here you've seen foods, a lot of foods. I have also decided to continue my aspirations of giving people foods that will help them from within. Both giving people in terms of skin glow foods, but also helping people with skin glow foods. And I'll talk about this in detail later. Suffice to say, you've got all the hints, even though I didn't want to give it, but it's just too much excitement. We'll also share with you some aspects of my personal life, some of which you already know thanks to my previous videos and vlogs. And thanks for enjoying those videos, because I get to know through your comments how much you love the content that I produce. Believe me, producing original content is no joke. And I don't like copying. I don't like copy pasting things. I have always been an original thinker. I get inspired, of course, but no copying business. Also, remember that Shadi video, Munji Shadi? I had posted a video a few years ago about my marriage in Sindhi. There's going to be an update on that too this year. I mean, the video, not the topic. Okay, let's say on everything. So stay tuned for a lot of fun content. All things skin and beauty, of course, shopping hauls, my life, personal vlogs, whatnot. Just let me know what you want to watch and I'll help you. The next video, I'm going to be talking about why skincare. As usual, please comment, like, share the channel and subscribe to my channel. Share the video, subscribe to my channel and please ring the notification bell. I can't believe I'm saying this after almost a year. I had taken a break even from SFF. It's been a year now. So yeah, I can't believe I'm back on the Sindhi Girl. Once again, a massive thank you for sticking through, for staying subscribed and now for watching this video. Big hugs to y'all, like big hugs to y'all. I'm very, very grateful for each one of you. Sending you lots of love and light from my heart to yours. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.